Welcome to another episode here on your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, I want to show you this cool little app that'll cut out the silences automatically out of your videos, so you don't have to spend so much time in your editing program to do so. So let me show you this video that I just recently finished. And if you look here in Recut, this editing program will take out these silences for you and recognize the silences, and it'll highlight them as pink, right? See there? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. All these 39 cuts. So it tells you at the bottom that it was 5 minutes and 19 seconds, and now it's going to be 5 minutes and 1 second without the silences. I can, if I want, change the thresholds and all of the other minimum durations and padding all over here if I want, and then hit remove silence, and it'll automatically cut it for me. And then all I have to do is export it out to video. It's really just that simple. It's a really cool program. I think you all will enjoy it. I know I do in some of my videos. I don't do it all the time in these tutorials because the tutorials typically I like a natural flow. But on some other videos, I do use this to take out all the silences really easily and quickly. So I hope you all enjoyed this little quick tip on Recut. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.